Good day mga kasambahay! Magkakasama na naman po tayo sa hapong ito sa pinaka-relaxing way to enjoy life. Handog lang yan ng Sports and Lifestyle. With your host, Dr. Daisy Lim Kamitan. So sit down and relax mga ka-sports and stay tuned with us. After playing our favorite sport, isn't it very tiring? Painful muscles and aching back? But there was this saying, if there's no pain, no gain. So let's take a break and be mesmerized as we take you in the place where women beauty of relaxation. Right here in our featured segment, Home and Lifestyle Furniture.
Lifestyle started when my father resigned as a pilot in PAL. So in 1983, he put up a wood shop to manufacture and export knife blocks. So actually, back then, we were one of the biggest manufacturers of knife blocks in Asia. Since we had all the machineries, workers, and technology to mass produce, then we expanded to furniture. One of the main advantages of Home and Lifestyle, of course, is the quality. I can say that because Home and Lifestyle accords to the German standards, which uses tenons and dowels instead of nails, and the joineries of our furniture are forced fit. So it is hard-pressed or machine-pressed, therefore it really makes it very durable.
For almost 20 years, Home and Lifestyle manufactures glamorously designed export quality furniture and accessories. Everything is done and perfected using our very own materials. You will see their collections made of coconut shells, crest, bamboo, and Altisa Philippine hardwood.
Aside from that, we are known for the fine finish of our products, also for the precise construction and the unique designs. Our designers incorporate raw materials such as coconut shells, crushed bamboo to add accents to the furniture.
Their collection of comfortable beds are available from different sizes, inclined with very stylish colors. With this, they are really deserving of different achievements and awards.
One of our main specializations is that we mass produce home furniture made of wood. Actually, we use Philippine hardwood. It's called Altisa. And just like mahogany, it is the same hardness, durability. There. Our designers also uses Philippine indigenous materials to add life to our product. I'd like to invite everyone to visit our showrooms at the 4th level, Building A, SM Mega Mall, telephone number 637-1990, and number 45, Camias Road, West Camias, Quezon City, telephone numbers 928-3836 and 928-8826. Or you may visit us at www.homelifestylefurniture.com.
It's really great and wonderful. Hope you enjoyed what we had offered with you this afternoon. From now on, we will really enjoy our sport, then relax at its best. Samahan niyo po kami sa susunod pa naming paglilingkod sa inyo. Here in Sports and Lifestyle. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Dr. Daisy Lim Kamitan saying, being healthy, stress-free,